Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the e-commerce module in Odoo. So to install the e-commerce module in Odoo on that platform, you only need a few steps. So actually guys, first or the best method is to install it from the apps menu. So just log into Odoo or to the www.odoo.com and open the apps section. So if you got forwarded into your page or your website, you will need just to go at the top left corner here, websites, and click it. And now you will need just to go and click on apps. Okay, so here guys, you will need to search for the e-commerce. Okay, so just go and use the search bar right here and type e-commerce right there. Okay, all right, and hit enter. So you will usually see websites, e-commerce, website sale. So the main model responsible for the online store is typically the website sale or e-commerce here. Okay, so just go ahead and install it if it's or if not yet. And Odoo then will automatically install related dependencies like website builder, shopping carts, product pages, and checkout system. So the installation usually takes less than a minute. And after installation, just access your store. So go to websites and click go to websites, for example, and then your online shop is now active. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.